All right, good morning. Simulation of the day, Thursday, 12th of August 2021. The date here, as you can see, is 3/12/2020 by random generator in here. 3/12. So let's go for it. This is the 1 hour chart. I have my lines and my zones plot out. Now let's see. Let's see what happened in the M30. Um, so yeah, see the 4 hours. 4 hours has rejected this bottom side here. 4 hours is a difficult price action because we have support just here. Difficult price action. On the 1 hour is quite clean to come down. On the M30 is kind of, well, it's possible if we break, but we have this zone here. This zone. So if you want to come down, we probably need to break this zone and come down. That's what I'm thinking about. To go up with all these weeks here, just something above here, but then it's this congestion zone also. Yeah, to go up, I would say something above here to fill those weeks and eventually go up. Let's play. Oh, let me put this. I always forget to put in the session time. Let me put the session time here. 2 hours before, 3 hours, 2 hours before London. Okay, so let's move on. This goes to another screen, not to disturb the viewing. Okay, so we are about to break this up. Now, as I was saying, congestion area here, very, very congested. This is if we are in the New York open candle, we might expect it to break, but other than that, uh, let's wait. Let's wait and see. So let's play this. Wow, amazing, amazing. Just went through like nothing to the other side of the range. Yeah, I was not taking it because we have this zone here, right? And man, that's difficult. So again, we have to wait. We are half an hour in. 1.5 hours for New York to open. Let's see if we can create some sort of support here. No, we are going straight up. Let's see if we can close above that zone. Would be nice. Let me go into the 4 hours. Now we need more information. Okay, we have that line in there. Okay. We have more resistance in there. Okay. Let's go for it. So we are rejecting that. We broke the low of the 1 hour, of the 30 minutes, sorry. And we are coming back up. That's nice. 10 minutes to close this candle. The close is going to close bearish, very bearish. So we are rejecting this zone here. This is the 30-minute candle, not the 1 hour. If it was the 1 hour, I would maybe. Depends. There's not really room for that. Oh yeah, there is 14 pips. Yeah, there is. But it is the 30 minutes, so it's a bit difficult with the 30 minutes close only. So I'm going to still playing it. We are about to enter. New York. So it's creating support here. So this is an M30 with a rejection. Kind of rejection. Rejection, yes. Kind of rejection. Okay. M15 closed bullish. This is the New York open candle. So I would say if we break the high here, we should expect some continuation, at least to fill this week. Maybe that one. That would be awesome. The stop just below here, 17 pips. If we break that high. So let's see if we break that high. So I'm going to set a pending there. This is also the 1 hour close, which is bearish. So difficult because we have resistance just there. So yeah, not really, not really. We need to break those highs. I've been caught so many times in this, entering here, then it stops there and doesn't go anymore. One thing is to enter in here in support, then that's kind of that we don't do. But another is to wait for this and you lose the risk reward before that resistance. So let's just play it. Let's just play it and let's see if we can break those highs in there. It's a shame that from there to there is all, oh, it's 14 pips. So if we break those highs, we might be good. I'm going to set a pending in here. Or if we break down, we might see this range being filled. Okay? Because if we break down, we already tested this resistance. So that says that price might want to come here to this zone at 18 pips. This is risky, but I'll let it go a bit, like to make sure it is inside the range again, like somewhere here. Let's see. This candle is key. and it's not doing nothing. It's the New York open candle and it's not doing nothing. Okay, close like a doji is a write-off candle. Now, if we break this high, we have something. We have something if we break this high. Okay. You see, the 1 hour is bearish, but that's to be expected in resistance like this. The 4 hours is doing the week down just to continue up to the upside. This is breakout retest. If you break the high, it's supposedly a continuation, okay? So let's see. Oh, okay. I'm going to put the previous bar. Oh, this is I'm 15, next bar, next bar. Okay. So I will put a pending just above here, okay? Just above there. It's a 2%. 2% buy stop. Just above here. Okay, let's. The high is 0.490. Yeah, it's like 1.5 pips away, something like that. And the TP, I'm going to set the TP just in here. And the stop is 15 pips. For a TP of 38, of course, I'm not going to get that TP, but just like that. Let's see if it continues the trend. It would be awesome. Breakout, retest, breakout. Let's go. This is the M30 chart. Looks like shit. The M15 chart. Okay, M15 closed bearish, but above the price. Let's manage risk for a bit. Let's manage risk. Trades. Or let's manage if we break below on this M15, okay? Let's see. Or we can manage, and if we break the high, we re-enter again. Something like that. Yeah, let's do that. Just being a bit safer. Closing 50% here. Closing 50%, and going to set a pending of 0.95. just above the buy stop in here, just above here. Again, we tip in there and we stop just below this M15 here. That is 14 pip stop, 30 pip target. Let's see if we can do anything out of this. Okay, he's in the second position. Profit loss in pips. It's coming back down again. Oh, stopped everything. Wow. Okay, what's the mistake here? What's the mistake here? All right. Ooh, that's quite a big loss. And that just completely turns me off. Completely turns me off. So I feel like this is the mistake I'm still making. Pretty much the same mistake all the time, which is trying to get into a position when it has no room to go. It didn't even went there. It went it went like it went like it had to go 9 pips. It went like 6 or so. But the thing is, you have the bearish 1 hour candle, and the bearish 1 hour candle is a good hint. But if you expect retrace, retest, and go, this is the kind of setup that you expect, isn't it? An M30 closing bullish, and and then we break the high. The problem is always this resistance here. So what I've learned from the last lessons, which I didn't learn because I did it again, is that we want a close above this zone, a close above this zone, or a break of these weeks to jump into a trade. Okay, so, and none of that happened. None of that happened here, and you have no room to go. Okay, so I did it again. Yeah, I just did it again. Now, about this trade, what we have here, we have a bearish engulfing on M30. We are kind of at support, but we already broke down the support. It's a riddle if it's going to continue or not, but this support was tested in this candle here. But I think we have room to go to this zone at 17 pips away. So I would like to see a wick first, but you know how it is, because it broke the, oh yeah, it's the second half an hour. So it's not the first minute of the 1 hour candle. It's a bearish. It's an M30 candle. So, and we are in the first minute breaking. Yeah, let's see if we get a wick up before continuing. No, no wick up. Okay, that's a missed trade there. That's a missed trade, completely missed. 17, 20. Yeah, completely missed. So yeah, that's my trading for today. Let's see. We are now at support. Oh, this was so fast. Yeah, we are now at support, and what can we get from here, from support? If we get a close, we are still As you can see, we are about 1 hour in New York SE, but let's have a bullish close. That's too bullish. Must give me room. Okay, man. Anyway, you have this here, so you cannot jump in. I can only jump in if we come down and do a week and try to get a better risk reward. Other than that, there is no way because you have that in the way. um, yeah, no resistance there for this. Not this time. Yeah, we should stop there. And that's it. That's it. I'm off for the day. Let's see if I learn my lesson here and here. In this one is tricky because it was really fast and it didn't wick down, it didn't wick up. So, but yeah, but I should know better and take this trade immediately. Because you have all this engulfing thing breaking. So yeah. Okay. Cheers. See you later in the session. And bye bye. Cheers.